Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sakshi Singh, roll number 205005, and today I am going to present graph theory. So, we so what are graphs? So, graphs, the dots are called the vertices of the graphs or nodes. Here, V is equals to VG, the set of vertices, and the connections between the vertices are called edges. Represent an edge as set I comma j of two vertices. Example, the edge between 2 and 5 is 2 comma 5, and which is also equal to 5 comma 2. Here E is equals to E in bracket G is equals to set of edges which is equals to 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, and 5 comma 4 comma 5. So, notation of edges. Our book sometimes abbreviates edges as UV instead of U comma V. In that notation, 2 comma 5 will become 25. Avoid that notation unless there is no chance of ambiguity. Example, if there is 12 vertices, it would mean 1, 1, 2, that is 112, and mean 1 comma 12 or 11 comma 2. So it is it will be very confusing. So we need to avoid this kind of notation. So adjacencies, vertices connected by an edge are called adjacent. Vertices 1 and 2 are adjacent, but 1 and 5 are not. The neighborhood of the vertex V is the set of all vertices adjacent to V. It's denoted by NG in bracket V. So NG 2 will be equals to 1 comma 3 comma 5. A vertex V is incident with an edge E. When V belongs to E, the vertex V is an incident with edges 1 comma 2, 2 comma 5, 2 and 2 comma 3. Next is simple graph. Simple graph is G is equals to VE. V is the set of vertices, and it can be any set 1 comma something is just an example. E is the set of edges of form U comma V, where U and V belongs to V and U does not equal to V. Every pair of vertices has either 0 or 1 edge between them. Usually graphs alone refers to simple graphs, not to other kind of graphs that we will consider. Next is drawing of graphs. Drawing of graphs, both graphs. Here I have drawn two graphs, and both graphs have the same number of vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and E will be same for both the graphs, but the graph is looking different. Both drawings represent the same graph even though they look different, since they have the same vertices and edges. In the abstract representation, G will be equals to V comma E. Degrees. So what is the degree of the graph? Degree of a vertex is number of edges on it. So suppose we have to find out the degree of 1. So we know that with one vertex there is only one edge which is connected, and D2 is the number of vertex connected with edges connected with the vertex 2. So here we can see with 2 there are 3 edges connected, so the degree will be 3. For in the same way, degree of the 3 will be equal to 3, degree of 4 will be equal to 2, degree of 5 will be equal to 3. The degree sequence is to list the degrees in descending order. So this will become 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. The minimum degree is denoted by del G, which is equals to del G is equals to 1, and maximum degree is denoted by delta G, and it is 3. Sum of degrees degrees will be 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 will be equals to 12, and number of edges is 6. So thank you. That is all about my presentation.